Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I brought this great DIY idea for you guys, texture painting. This texture painting is super easy to make and very affordable for you guys. I hope you guys will enjoy this video, so without wasting time, let's get started. For this purpose, first of all we need a canvas of a good quality. I'm gonna use 4x4 canvas. You can choose any size of your own choice. Either it is of 2x2 or either it is of 6x6. First of all, you have to apply the gesso on the canvas and then you have to start your painting. The gesso is already applied on my canvas, so I'm gonna apply now the red color paint because I'm gonna making the background of red color paint. You can choose any type of dark color of your own choice, but I'm making the combination of yellow, white and red. I'm choosing the red background and I'm gonna make the flowers with the help of white color paint or white gesso. Apply the red color paint on all over the canvas, all over the edges very smoothly and very neatly. This step is the most satisfying step of whole the painting because it is very easy for every beginner. After applying the paint on all over the canvas, rest it for the 5 minutes until it is dried. And now this is the result of after 5 minutes. Whole the painting is dried and now we are gonna make the texture. For the texture obviously we need a material, and for the material I'm gonna use soda. You can say baking soda. You can choose any type of baking soda of any company of your own choice because obviously we are making a painting, not a cake. And for the liquid I'm gonna use this gesso. This is my homemade gesso, and if you need the recipe of homemade gesso, so you can check the description box or my short series. After applying the gesso, you need a very small amount of water to give it a smooth texture like this. Give it a good mix with the help of a spoon or any type of utensil. After mixing, check the consistency. This should be the consistency. And if still your mixture is very thick, so you have to add a more amount of water. Now I'm gonna use this piping bag, which is usually used in baking or for the whipping cream. Simply you have to open this piping bag and pour the mixture into this piping bag. For the proper cleaning, I'm gonna take this spatula. After opening the piping bag with the help of a spoon or with the help of a spatula, transfer whole the mixture from the bowl to the piping bag. Until I'm inserting whole the mixture into the piping bag, I'm giving you guys reminder that if you guys are new on my channel, so do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. Do support my channel so I will bring great more DIYs for you guys. As you can see that our piping bag cone is ready. And now I'm gonna make the flowers with the help of pencil on all over the canvas. But which flowers I'm gonna make? I'm gonna make the texture of the snowflake flower. Now you guys can see that the drawing of the snowflake flowers on all over the canvas is done. And now the main step is to pour the mixture on the snowflake flowers. Cut the tip of the piping bag with the help of scissor and start pouring the mixture on the lines of the snowflake flower very smoothly. Ignore my shaking hands because this is my first experience. I love to try new things, and what the new things and new DIYs to you guys is my duty. This whole step is very difficult, but don't worry, if you're making this painting with passion, so there will be no difficulty for you guys. Now repeat the same process to make all the snowflakes on all over the canvas. And here is a little bit demo for you guys that how you can apply the mixture on the edges of the canvas. And our texture painting is almost going to be done, but first of all let it dry. Now again I am taking the same piping bag, wash it, and after washing now I'm gonna pour yellow color paint into this piping bag. Add a very little amount of yellow color paint because I am using acrylic paints, so they do not need any type of mixture or any type of soda to be added. So repeat the same process as we did before with the help of a spatula or with the help of any other thing. Pour the mixture, but now I'm only pouring the paint. Now start filling the snowflakes with the help of yellow paint. Fill the center of the snowflakes as I am filling. This step is very easy and very satisfying because this is only going to be the final step of the whole painting. Here you guys can see that the filling of the flowers is done. And now I'm gonna cover all the empty areas with the help of yellow hearts. And our painting is almost going to be done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like the video, do not forget to subscribe. and press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. To support my channel so I will bring great more DIYs for you guys. Till then, Allah Hafiz.